here, unless anybody has somebody who's struggling. Okay, good. So, welcome to Bighorn Sheep Studios. Some of you have been hearing about it for a few years, and we're very excited that we finally were, well, really my husband Chris was able to open the space a few months ago. So, I'm really excited to have switched over to here. There's not a huge stage like Jalopy, but the piano is about 1,000,000 times better. So that's a really nice change, I think, for everyone. And so I want to talk for a second about the practice contest that most of you participated in. And Sarah's smiling because I think she sees that I have her charts that I thought I'd show everybody because they are so amazing. And so there was actually a tie this year. So Sarah, this is for you, and the inside is some colorful green bow hair. For you. 48, so that was really, really good. And August, you get to start your future music collection with a gift to iTunes. All right, good. So thanks for waiting. So everybody got a chance to just do a little bit of a warm-up, and I think that everyone's sounding really great this year. And we started the reception a little early, and then we can continue it right after. So please hang out and have some more snacks and enjoy. So I just want to congratulate everybody once again for really working hard, and I've been really amazed with the progress this year. I feel like everybody has really improved, so much. So it's very exciting for me to see that. So thank you for being such great students, and I also want to thank Carla for being here once again because she's fantastic. So, I think we should go ahead and get started. So, Candace? Just maybe check.